The future of the iPad is closer than you think, and this time, Apple might be breaking every rule we thought we knew. The upcoming M5 iPad Pro isn't just another tablet, it's a complete reinvention of mobile computing. We're talking about Apple's most advanced M5 chip, next-level AI performance, an ultra-slim titanium design, and benchmark results that are already shaking up the industry. From massive performance gains to a new OLED Plus display, redesigned Apple Pencil 3, and even the possibility of MagSafe charging, this could be the biggest leap in iPad history. But here's the real question. Is the M5 iPad Pro powerful enough to replace your MacBook? And when exactly is it coming? Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. In today's video, we're breaking down everything you need to know, from leaked specs and benchmark results to the expected release date, pre-order details, and pricing. So, if you're thinking about upgrading or just want to know what Apple has up its sleeve next, stay tuned, because this is one iPad you'll definitely want to see. When it comes to redefining what a tablet can do, no brand has been more consistent and ambitious than Apple. Over the years, the iPad Pro lineup has evolved from a premium content consumption device into a full-blown productivity machine, rivaling even the MacBook lineup in performance and versatility. Now, with the upcoming M5 iPad Pro, Apple is set to blur that line even further. Leaks, insider reports, and early benchmark details have already started to surface, hinting that this might be the biggest generational leap the iPad Pro has seen in years. From next-gen performance gains to refined design language and AI-powered features, the M5 iPad Pro could very well define the future of Apple's computing vision. At the heart of this next-generation iPad Pro lies Apple's new M5 chip, the company's most advanced piece of silicon to date. Built on an enhanced 3-nanometer process, the M5 represents a monumental step forward in both raw performance and efficiency. According to leaked benchmark data, the M5 chip delivers up to 35% faster CPU performance and 40% faster GPU output compared to the already powerful M4 chip. These improvements are said to come from a combination of architecture redesigns and enhanced AI processing cores, something Apple now calls the Neural Engine Ultra. This new neural engine reportedly doubles the AI performance over its predecessor, enabling the iPad Pro to handle complex tasks like on-device generative AI, real-time object recognition, and high-end photo editing without relying on cloud processing. This ties into Apple's broader ecosystem shift toward Apple Intelligence, its custom AI framework designed to bring smart tools and contextual awareness to iOS, iPadOS, and macOS devices. For professionals, these performance gains mean smoother workflows in applications like Final Cut Pro, Logic Pro, and Adobe Creative Cloud. For gamers, it could translate into console-level frame rates, ray tracing support, and longer sustained performance under heavy loads. Simply put, the M5 iPad Pro is shaping up to be the most capable tablet Apple has ever created. While the internal improvements are impressive, Apple's design team hasn't been sitting idle either. Multiple reliable leaks suggest that the M5 iPad Pro will feature an even thinner and lighter chassis than the M4 model, possibly breaking the record as the thinnest iPad ever made. The new body is rumored to use aerospace-grade titanium, similar to what we saw in the iPhone 15 Pro series. This move would not only enhance durability